What is up, guys? It's Neesy Rachelle and I'm back at you with another video. So I'm going to be doing a quick little makeup video. It's not really a get ready with me, it's more of a me doing my face. And I don't even think I'll call it a tutorial because I'm not really showing y'all how to do it. I'm just doing my makeup. So, you know, new hair, new makeup. So I'm going to do a colored look using the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place. And these are the colors that are in here. Very, very pretty colors, very pigmented, of course, because who would it be if Juvia's Place is not pigmented? Like, their stuff is all pigmented. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that, and I will update you all throughout the video on what colors I may be using and all of that jazz. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alright y'all, so this is where we are so far. I finished my eyes. I just did, let me see what colors these are, because I am sure it says I did Zynga and Candace out of the Warrior 3 palette. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty foundation and finish off my face. All right guys, so this is the final look. I did go with some 25 mm lashes today, and like they're acting up, but I did put them on. And I set my face with the Set and Refresh Mist instead of my mattifying one, because I am out of my mattifying mist, so I need to order some more of that. But yeah. This is the look. Again, I did use the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place, and of course my foundation is always Fenty, and anything pigmented on my face is Juvia's Place, and that's just that. The white eyeliner I used today was by NYX, so that is something different. And of course, all of these things will be listed down below in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share this with your family and your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.